Bitcoin might hit $130,000 soon. Here's why. Let's talk about something exciting that's starting to show up on the Bitcoin charts. If we plot the current trend lines, we'll notice a classic falling wedge pattern forming. Now, if you're into technical analysis, you know that a falling wedge is typically a bullish pattern. It's created when two downward sloping trend lines converge. This signals that while the price has been dropping, the momentum is slowly fading. And usually, once Bitcoin breaks out of this pattern, a strong upward move follows. It's like a spring being compressed. It can only stay down for so long. What's even more interesting is if you zoom out a bit and take a look at the bigger picture. You'll see that we had a strong breakout in the past, and that previous breakout is now acting as the pole of a flag pattern. The wedge we're seeing right now is essentially the flag, pointing downwards. This setup is what traders call a bullish flag, and it often signals the continuation of the prior trend, which in this case is up. Now here's the juicy part. If Bitcoin successfully breaks out above this falling wedge, we can actually use the length of the previous pole to estimate the next potential move. And based on that measurement, Bitcoin could realistically shoot up to around $130,000. Yes, you heard that right, $130K. But that's not the only bullish sign we're seeing right now. Let's talk about moving averages for a second. Specifically, the 200-day moving average, 200 MA. This is a very strong technical level that acts as a major resistance in bear markets. But if an asset breaks above it, especially with strong volume, it's often considered a confirmation of a new uptrend. Right now, Bitcoin is trading above the 200 MA, which is huge. This signals that investors are gaining confidence, and more traders could start jumping back in, pushing the price even higher. If Bitcoin can hold above this level and use it as a new support zone, that will add even more fuel to the bullish fire. Resistance turning into support is one of the most reliable signs of strength in a market. But of course, as with any prediction, there are still risks involved. Global market conditions, regulation news, unexpected sell-offs, and whale activity can all impact Bitcoin's price direction. So while all signs point to a potential breakout, it's always wise to stay alert and manage your risks accordingly. In summary, we're seeing a textbook falling wedge forming, a bullish flag setup, a strong breakout pole to guide our next target, and Bitcoin confidently trading above the 200 MA. Combine all that, and we might just be on our way to seeing Bitcoin hit that massive $130,000 mark. Let's keep an eye on this pattern in the coming days, because if that breakout happens, it could be one of the biggest moves we've seen in a while. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Let's see where Bitcoin goes next. Take care, and as always, happy trading.